How to fix iCSee camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check power supply. Verify the camera is properly connected to a functioning power source. For wired models, verify that cables and adapters are secure and undamaged. For battery-operated cameras, confirm that the batteries are charged. Fix 2. Verify Wi-Fi connection. iCSee cameras typically operate on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Ensure your camera is within range of the router and that the network is functioning correctly. If your router broadcasts both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies under the same SSID, consider separating them or disabling the 5 GHz band to prevent connectivity issues. Fix 3. Reduce wireless interference. Other electronic devices can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Keep the camera away from potential sources of interference, such as microwaves, cordless phones, or other wireless devices. Fix 4. Restart iCSee camera. Power cycle your camera and router. Unplug them, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can refresh connections and resolve temporary glitches. Fix 5. Update iCSee Camera Firmware and App. Updating the camera firmware via the iCSee app. Launch the iCSee app on your smartphone or tablet. From the device list, tap on the camera you wish to update. Tap the gear icon or settings option, typically located in the upper right corner. Navigate to device information or about. If a firmware update is available, you'll see an option to update. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Fix 6. Reset iCSee camera. Find the reset button on your iCSee camera. Press the button, make sure your camera is plugged in and has power. Using a pin or paperclip, press and hold the iCSee camera reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. After a few seconds, you can notice the LED indicator blinking. Release the button, wait for your camera to reboot.